Hi. Hi, sweethearts. Today we're going to be discussing the Coach Signature Poly Bag. So if you want to hear more about this lovely bag, stick with me, hit like and subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started, let's jump right in. So basically, I wanted to do a reveal of this lovely bag. It's still partially wrapped up from initially when I purchased it. So I just want to go ahead and do the reveal and finish unwrapping it. And then I have a couple items right here from Coach that I just wanted to see what all this lovely beauty can hold for when I'm ready to go ahead and wear her and take her out, whether I take her out when I go grocery shopping. She's going to basically be an errand bag for me. That way it's just a grab and go bag and I could just sling her across me, crossbody, when I'm running out to the store or running errands. So she'll be able to hold a lot. I knew that already, and I'm in love with the signature Coach pieces. I love the signature Coach handbags, and I really fell in love with the tan rust because I'm a lover of the redwood Coach bags, like the penny. You girls know I love that bag. Here on my channel, I've talked about that bag a lot. So naturally, I wanted to pick up some of the bags with the beautiful signature tan and rust color. So, all right, that was pretty easy. She wasn't that wrapped up, you know, when I purchased her, when they mailed her to me, when they sent her to me. Go ahead and take this off the strap. And it's a very long strap that I'll be able to wear and use crossbody. Okay. Okay, that wasn't that hard. So I'll figure out what adjustment length strap I need to wear her with. And I like that she came with the extra little loop. I like when the bags come with the extra little loop that you can go ahead and secure that strap with. Even though a lot of times, like, look at this, it looks like it might come down or fall off, you know, but you could wear it. That way the strap doesn't stick out like that. I don't like when the strap sticks out like that, like a tongue. I like when you can go ahead and put that extra loop right there, and that way the strap stays in closer to the, you know, the end of the strap stays in closer. So here she is with her beautiful tag, and she has a front pocket with a turn lock. The interior of this bag, the color is a lovely wine. It's so pretty. There's a tag in there that says Coach right there. The interior is a lovely wine color right there. And this is large enough where my cell phone will be able to fit in the front. And then she also has a back zip envelope pocket back there. That's what the interior of the envelope pocket looks like. My phone will be able to fit in the back there as well. I have an iPhone 14, and that will be able to either go in the back or the front pocket as well. Okay, let's go ahead and see. I just bought a few items in here, and I want to see what all could fit in this lovely bag. They were nice enough to include a dust bag for this lovely bag, and I purchased it from Macy's, which Macy's has some of the retail bags there. And then she was stuffed. Okay, so let's see what all I could fit in there. So the first thing that I probably would bring is a catch-all with me. So I brought in this slim corner zip wristlet, and let's see, I'm sure that could fit in there comfortably. Corner zip wristlet, and then also I'm gonna need my keys. So let's go ahead and put my keys in there with the corner zip wristlet. Put that to stand up. So both of those items fit in there comfortably, the corner zip wristlet and my keys. Next, I'll probably bring some type of change purse with me. So I could either bring this change purse with me, and that it fits. It doesn't make it too bulky. It'll be able to close comfortably. Or I could bring my other patent leather Coach CC coin purse, change purse with me. That should be able to fit as well. You see my keys are in there, the corner zip wristlet, the coin purse. They all fit in there very comfortably. And let's push it and bring one other item. So I brought 2 card holders in here with me by Coach, and we'll see which card holder we'll go ahead and bring with us. Since I put the red change purse in there and I have another signature piece, I'm going to try the signature card holder so that it's kind of a little bit more matchy. There we go. So there we have the corner zip wristlet, the coin purse, my Louis Vuitton key holder, as well as a card case by Coach. And all 4 of those items would be able to fit, as well as my cell phone. And you see they fit comfortably, and the bag isn't too thick. It's not going to be protruding out or anything. It's going to fit across me just fine as a crossbody. Or like I said, I can go ahead and use the other coin purse. Let's take out this coin purse, the patent leather Coach Kiss Lock coin purse. And instead, let's use the Coach Heart coin purse. And instead of this signature card case, since we're using the pink coin purse, let's use the pink card holder. And those items would be able to fit in there comfortably as well. And they can zip and close and be secure. And the bag isn't overstuffed. So I'm gonna really enjoy using this as an errand bag when I'm shopping, wearing a crossbody. It's gonna be really, really cute. I love this bag, the signature pieces. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos, and I'll see you girls in my next video. Bye.